Welcome to my channel. Today we will master Kubernetes all in one. There are many types of Kubernetes clusters that we can choose from simple for develop and complex for business. We can build a Kubernetes cluster from scratch, prepare server, and Kubernetes allow us to install, set up, and join server to Kubernetes cluster. In Amazon Web Service, maybe it can be easy too. If you don't want to become complex, we have mini Cube, a small model of Kubernetes. Don't take too much time to install and set up. And there are lots of services that support to create Kubernetes cluster. Amazon Web Service, GCP, Azure, or Digital Ocean. Always have a tool available to create Kubernetes cluster for us. Going deeper into Amazon Web Service, we can use KOps to create clusters, but we still need manual config. So, Amazon Web Service have an EKS to service Kubernetes to handle all provision and configuration, so we can only focus and deploy and manage my application. To work with Kubernetes cluster, we can use kubectl. How many nodes in my system? Use kubectl guest node. Then how many namespace exist on my system? Yes, use kubectl guest namespace. How many ports exist on namespace default? Use the kubectl guest port, only that. Then how many services exist on namespace default? Let's use kubectl guest service. Okay, how many ports exist all in my system? kubectl guest port with -i. How many services exist all in my system? Okay, use kubectl guest service -i. You create namespace finance. kubectl creates namespace finance. kubectl gets namespace to check. Then create a port. In finance namespace, use kubectl run engine -init equal engine, and in namespace finance, use kubectl get port. Create a service for port engine in finance namespace. You can use kubectl export with -help to find any service, any help from the command line. Copy this one and change port. Then change the target port in namespace finance. Then check with kubectl get service with namespace finance. Okay, see more detailed port engine. You use kubectl require port engine in namespace finance. Okay, see more detail with service engine. Use kubectl require service engine in namespace finance. Yes, you need to edit service engine. Use kubectl edit service engine in namespace finance. Scroll down, type Kubernetes cluster IP, change the load balancer. Now use service and use kubectl get service to check again. So we have an external IP. Create a port in default cell with the pipe. Use the kubectl get port to check something. Yes, use kubectl run engine with image engine. Right run. Choose the client equal client, then with output gem file. Enter, and you have a file to create a port engine. So we will sell this file into engine.gem. Test this file again with the create a port file. Use the kubectl apply -f with the engine.gem. Kubernetes export to check again. You also can use kubernetes.io documentation for more detailed information. You can chat with server, use the service. You can chat with any call of service or any call of your workload. So you need to delete the port engine. Use kubectl delete -f engine. Then chat again with the Kubernetes export. Delete block anything in finance namespace. Kubernetes delete block anything minus namespace finance. Kubernetes will get spot to check again. Then you delete service anything in finance namespace. Kubernetes delete service anything in namespace finance. Yeah, hope you like this. See you in next video.